The Royal Academy presenting Tnpsc Group 1 for DO 2023. This is preliminary exam preparation, Unit 8, History, Culture, Heritage. In that it is part 1. In this part we are going to see History, Culture, Heritage and Socio-Political Movements in Tamil Nadu, History of Tamil Society, related archaeological discoveries, Tamil literature from Sangam age till contemporary times. Number 1. The original name of Kun Pandian was dash. It is Nedumaran. The original name of Kun Pandian was Nedumaran. In the Dasararam temple built by Rajaraja Cholan, dash literature's incidents are depicted in the form of miniatures in the wall of Sanctum Sanctorium. It is Mahabharatam. Third one, the graffiti symbols of Kiladi are similar to dash. It is Nile River civilization. The graffiti symbols of Kiladi are similar to Nile River civilization. During Sangam age, hero stones were erected to commemorate the honorable death of heroes in order to protect dash from their enemies. It is Cattle, who is the author of book The Tamil 1800 years ago. It is by V. Kanagasabai. The garland of cheras was Palmyra. The garland of cheras was Palmyra. Who was the Roman writer who made reference about the Pandian kingdom in Tamil Nadu? Strabo. It is Strabo. Who was the Roman writer who made reference about the Pandian kingdom in Tamil Nadu? Strabo. Which year Chennai from Madras is officially changed? It is 1996. The first has roots in the Hindu deity. The answer is Shiva. Shiva's son, dash and dash. It is Murugan and Kubera. The famed Ritvik poet is Agastya. In northern Madurai, Pandian kingdom, he lists 6 anthologies of Tamil poem, later a part of Ittudogai. The first one is Nedundogai Nanuru, that is 400 long poems, Kurundogai Nanuru, 400 short poems, Nattinai, 400 Thinai landscape poems, Purananuru, 400 outer poems, Ainkurunuru, it is 500 very short poems, Paditti Pattu, it is 10 tens. Then, the Sangam literature was composed by 473 poets. Who among the 4 Nayanmar made his heart the temple of Lord Shiva? It is Pusala. Who among the 4 Nayanmar made his heart the temple of Lord Shiva is Pusala. Aimperunkapiyangal. Number 1, Silappadiharam. Number 2, Manimeghalai. Siva Sindhamani. Kundalakesi. Valayapadi. 10. Perumpadalgal. Number 1, Tirumurugattupadai, Perunarattupadai, Sirubanattupadai, Perumbanattupadai, Mullaipattu, Madurai Kanchi, Nedunalvadai, Kurinchipattu, Pattinampalai, Malaipadugada. Ettutogai, in that first one, Nattinai, Kurundogai, Gananuru, Ainkurunuru, Kalitogai, Purananuru, Padittupattu, Paripadal. This is Royal Academy. Thanks for watching this and share this video to your friends. Thank you. Thank you so much.